Yo guys, so this is the Moose Contour brown leather case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just like Moose's other cases, we get some detailed look at their materials and AeroShock drop protection technology. In comparison to the Limitless 3.0 case, this case feels less bulkier, a bit more stylish, yet feels quite premium. The brown leather feels and smells great as it should. On the right side, we have the raised sleep to wake button and that curve that allows for fluidity when swiping. Opposite of that, we have the volume up and down rockers, which are also raised, along with the mute switch cutout. Now towards the inside, we still have the microfiber linen and the cutouts for some additional SIM cards and SIM ejector tools, as well as their AeroShock technology. Now unfortunately, you don't get their Auto Align Plus, which allows for added accessories. Instead, you have a smaller, lighter package with great drop protection and sturdiness. I personally really like the brown leather on this one, and it feels like over time, it'll build some character. Once the phone is in, you're not going to want to take it out. Again, it feels lighter and less bulkier than the Limitless 3.0 case. Now, if you tend to use wireless charging a lot, no problem. Not sure how the leather will react with heat over time, but for now, it's clean AF. Now, there are other color options if the brown leather is too much for you, but the case feels well built and almost seamless except for where the leather begins. You can see some gaps, but nothing that should affect it, which brings me to, I would have liked to see them extend the leather a bit more, but overall, the case is well built. And also because the case comes off as stylish, you can match it with your watch band for a night out and not have to worry about dropping your phone. Now the Contour case also grips onto your phone quite nicely, so no worrying about your phone flying out. The cutouts are wide and the premium materials, well, feel premium and make the case come together. So for $59.99 for this case, seems a bit steep, but the added drop protection and stylish options might make it worth for some. That being said, I've really enjoyed using this case and would recommend it to a handful of people. Now, if you would like to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.